I request all of you to put on your videos, until and unless there is some issue going back home or at the workplace, then of course it's fine. But potentially, practically, जो भी अपनी video on कर सकते हैं, please do that. And ensure that you maintain a sense of community here. Cheer for each other digitally, smile across, because that is what, sustains the positivity in the end. So let's get started. I hope you guys are excited, because I really am. And, I can see all the lovely faces and even prettier smiles. So there is a variety already going on. So let's get started. And I request the jury members to switch on their camera so that we can finally begin. By the time they do that, remember the ground rule: do not unmute yourself unless asked to. There would be 90 seconds given to you, and I will be informing the jury members about the time that you exceed with. I won't be doing a sign out timeout this time. You have to remain conscious of how you take care of that time schedule. So there we have our three jury members, our three lovely ladies on the jury panel. The first, of course, is Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, our director of the project. The second is Chitra Vaseni, who is an image consultant and an etiquette coach. And last but not the least, we have Roshni Tolani, the OG expert of the day, the makeup artist, the certified one, who also owns various salons in Ahmedabad. So let's get started. Jury members, are we all set to go? Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So to begin with, the sequence initially would be Rani, Varma, Ritu, Neeraj, Anjulika, Anjali, and Divya. So I'd be taking 5 to 6 names every time we come to an end of a sequence. So let's start with Rani. Hi, Rani.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you? Are we ready?
Fine. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rani Varma Chatterjee. As my name is Rani, I wore this Rani colored dress, which I think suit my dusky skin tone. And I believe in fashionable but comfortable wearing. There is a saying, don't judge a book by its cover, which is technically true, but we live in a very judgmental world, and people make assumptions on the basis of what they see. And as I want to look special for this event, so I have wore this dress, and I have started by doing CPM, and I want to add here, since my skin is dry, I prefer to use cream-based or oil-based product. And I have a nude kind of makeup with bold eyeliner and bold lip color by using a light coverage foundation and mascara and all. I have kept my hair up as a bun, and regarding accessories, I kept it very minimal and wore these earrings only. And I have not, because I'm in home, I haven't worn any shoes, and if I will step out, I will prefer new kind of waist heels or some ankle length boots or sports shoes. And thank you. That's all. Bye.
Thank you, Rani. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Ritu next. Hi, Ritu.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am also good, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
सारी जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले इसके ये गुलसिता हमारा. Good afternoon to all respected judges and all my dear fellow contestants. I am Ritu Joshi from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, and today I am feeling proud because I am representing our national flag, Tiranga. So before I talk about my makeup part, would like to tell about Tiranga. So as we all know, Tiranga has 3 colors. At the top, it is orange color, saffron color. So it is a symbol of courage of the country. At the middle, it's a white color, symbol of peace and truth. And in between, it's a navy blue Dharma Asoka Chakra, which have 24 spokes. At the last, it's a green one, which is a symbol of growth, fertility, and auspiciousness of the country. So the reason why I picked the theme, because everybody know about last year Republic Day incidents. So we all are Indians, so we have to respect our country. We have to respect our national flag. Now, I would like to tell a bit about a makeup. As you can see, I apply the Tiranga on my face, and I apply the saffron color lipstick, and the eyeshadow would be green and saffron. I'm carrying the cat also of Tiranga, and you can see in my hand, it's a Tiranga cross and crosser also, and I'm carrying the sash of Tiranga also. Now, I would like to conclude by doing a small act. Hope you like it. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and good luck to every contestant. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much. And jury members, Ritu was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Neeraj. Hi, Neeraj.
हेलो मैम, सत श्री अकाल।
Sat Shri Akal. Are we ready?
हाँ जी मैम।
Go ahead.
मैम मैंने आज पंजाबी पहरावा पाया डाला है। मैम आज पंजाबी च मैं बोल सकती हाँ? मैम आज मैं ना पंजाबी पहरावा पाया है, धोती सूट। एक मिनट। मैम आज मैं ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਂਟੇ ਵੀ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਬਾਹੂਬਲੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਹੂਬਲੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ। ਬਾਹੂਬਲੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਪਹਿਰਾਵਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ। ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਮੈਮ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਮੈਮ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਲੁੱਕ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ। ਤੇ ਮੈਮ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਲੀ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂ? ਓਕੇ ਮੈਮ। ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ ਬੋਲੀ ਚੱਕ ਅੜੀਏ, ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ ਬੋਲੀ ਚੱਕ ਅੜੀਏ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਦੇ ਭਵੂਕੇ ਮੰਗੂ ਮੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਗ ਦੇ ਭਵੂਕੇ ਮੰਗੂ ਮੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ, ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ ਬੋਲੀ ਚੱਕ ਅੜੀਏ, ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚ ਅੜੀਏ ਬੋਲੀ ਚੱਕ ਅੜੀਏ। ਮੈਮ ਅਗਲੀ। ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਛੱਪੜ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਰ ਵੇ, ਰਾਤੀ ਡੱਡੂ ਜੜਾਉਂਦੇ। ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਮੈਮ ਮੈਂ ਨਰਵਸ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਥੋੜੀ। ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਮਾਪਿਆਂ ਤੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਛੱਪੜ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਰ ਓਏ, ਰਾਤੀ ਡੱਡੂ ਡਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਜਵਾਕ ਡੁੱਬਣ ਦਾ ਡਰ ਓਏ, ਰਾਤੀ ਡੱਡੂ ਡਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਜਵਾਕ ਡੁੱਬਣ ਦਾ ਡਰ ਓਏ, ਰਾਤੀ ਡੱਡੂ ਡਰਾਉਂਦੇ। मैम मैंने मेकअप भी अपने आप किया है। आप ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਫੋਟੋਜ਼ ਭੇਜੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਆ। ਇਹ ਮੈਮ ਨੇ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਮੇਕਅਪ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਓਕੇ ਮੈਮ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮੈਮ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you so much. And jury members, Neeraj was 1 minute past her scheduled time. Neeraj, please mute yourself and let's proceed to Anjulika. Hi, Anjulika.
Yes. Voice aa raha hai mera, ma'am?
हाँ जी. Are we ready?
Yeah, of course, I'm ready. Yeah. Okay. Hello and good afternoon, all my friends and my respected jury members. Morning when I wake up, I do lots of gestures regarding my beauty. I have some face mask and all. I want to look best and beautiful today in my presentation. Yes, about my dress. I am wearing an Indian attire. This is my festive attire. I wear a black skirt with a golden jal work all over. I love black and white. In my wardrobe, I have many black and whites, and I am wearing a top shirt in beige color and tuck in the skirt. Yes, about my jewelry, I love kundan. I have a neck piece of kundan and earrings and kada in my hands. Yes, of course, I'm completed with my sandals. And about my makeup, I'm not a fond of makeup. In everyday life, I'm not doing makeup. I just want to wear lipsticks and kajal and eyeliner. Bas. Now today I have done, actually I'm a fond of Maybelline Cosmetics. So I have done my makeup by all Maybelline Cosmetics. I'm done my CTM, morning cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And then cover my lips with Vaseline. I use primer of Maybelline. And of course corrector, because I have a dark circles. So LA Girl corrector. I'm using foundation, which is also from Maybelline, and a concealer from Maybelline. And I'm doing contouring on my cheeks and my chin and using Sugar palette. And yes, of course, blush and highlighters. I'm done first time I have done my eye makeup because I don't want eye makeup. My eyes are very sensitive. So I have done eye makeup today. And yes, of course, मुझे बाल बांधना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. So I'm open my hairs. And yes, I'm a fond of Rekha. I have a till on my over my lips. So मैंने उसको dark किया है because I love Rekha ma'am more. And yes, yes, ma'am. Generally, I am wearing dress for my comfort zone and my style, but today I am wearing to impress my jury members. And style is a reflection of my attitude and my personality. And that's why today I am representing this Indian attire. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, Angelica. Thank you so much. Jury members, Angelica was 1 minute, 10 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Anjali. Angelica, can you mute yourself, please?
Yeah, of course, ma'am.
Anjali. Hi, Anjali.
Ma'am, Anjali Ore, is it?
Yeah, it is Anjali Ore. Are we ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhi Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanam Mrityurmokshimamrata. हारने न देना शिव मुश्किल इम्तिहान है, जीत में हम दोनों का मान है, क्योंकि तेरे भरोसे मेरी पहचान है. जय जय भोले भंडारी, तेरी लीला है प्यारी. मैं महाकाल की नगरी अवंतिका उज्जैन में निवास करती हूँ एवं अपने प्रभु का हर वक्त गुणगान उनका जाप करती हूँ. मैंने इस विषय को अपने माहौल, अपने वातावरण को दर्शाने की स्थिति से चुना है एवं अपने प्रभु का मार्गदर्शन में आज विश्व ऋषि का मार्गदर्शन में इस रूप को आप सबके समक्ष ला पाई हूँ. महाकाल की नगरी में 12 शिव ज्योतिर्लिंगों में से एक ज्योतिर्लिंग बसता है एवं उज्जैन उसमें से एक शहर है. 12 साल में हर बार सिंहस्थ महाकुंभ मेला लगता है, जहाँ देश विदेश से अनेकों प्रकार के लोग यहाँ आकर अपने प्रभु का गान करते हैं, यहाँ की रचनाओं को अपनी यादों में बसाकर अपने साथ कैद कर ले जाते हैं. और आज ये कॉलेवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स की तरफ से मुझे अपने सिटी को, अपने शहर को आगे बढ़ाने का मौका मिला है. उसके बारे में आप सभी के द्वारा आप सभी के समक्ष लाने का मौका मिला है. और ये एक ट्रेडिशनल टाइप का है, इसमें नीचे लोग आजकल जींस भी पहनते हैं, बट मैंने सोचा कुछ आदमी पैटर्न रखना है, इसलिए आधुनिक रूप धारण करके आप सबके समक्ष आ पाई हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Divya, and post Divya, the sequence would be Ashi, Jigyasa, Chitra, Jyotika, and Anushka. So let's hear it from Divya. Hi.
My voice is audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. औरत एक खूबसूरत फूल की तरह होती है, जिसकी खुशबू को सिर्फ महसूस किया जा सकता है, मगर कुचला या रौंदा नहीं जा सकता. Hello everyone, I am Divya. Today I am in modern classic look. That is real me. I am a combination of my traditional roots and broad-minded thinking. I always try to reflect my mentality from my dressing sense. My mind is modern and my soul is traditional. And I believe in natural makeup. In other words, I can say मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. मैं जब भी किसी event के लिए ready होती हूँ, I always try to show my real side because I believe that original is worth more than a copy. मेरा मानना है इस फिल्टर की दुनिया में असली सौंदर्य कहीं खोसा गया है किसी कोने में. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. So girls always wear a beautiful smile. I always treat myself like a princess, whether I have a prince or not, whether I have a crown or not, because I am a daughter of my Almighty Lord. Thank you. In last, how dare you? तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. Not clear. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Ashi next. Hi, Ashi.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashi Chharya and I have I have tried to recreate the look of Ariana Grande, and she is a Hollywood singer. Most of you all know her, but if you don't know, I have made a portrait of her. She is Ariana Grande. Her signature thing is she makes her hair like a high ponytail, and she is carrying a necklace. So I have carried a necklace with a minimal makeup and a simple top. And also she's a singer, so I definitely want to sing a song of her. So breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girl with tattoos who's like getting in troubles. Flashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would have thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with curves and no strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Ashi. Thank you so much. So let's hear it next from Jigyasa. Hi, Jigyasa. Jigyasa Daya, can you please unmute yourself?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am,
हाँ
am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, but आपका video off है. Can you please put on your video?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जिज्ञासा दया है और मैंने आज भगवान शिव के द्वारा लिया गया अर्धनरेश्वर रूप का रूप धारण किया है। यह महिला अथवा पुरुष का की समानता के बारे में बताता है। धन्यवाद। इस रूप को धारण करके मैं एक छोटा सा मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ दैट कि स्त्री हो या पुरुष, मेल हो या फीमेल, किसी में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए। और दूसरा ये कि अगर आप मेकअप करके सुंदर लग सकती हैं तो आप अपने अंदर वही ताकत और धैर्यशीलता धारण करके किसी भी मुश्किल को पा सकती हैं, किसी भी मुश्किल का सामना कर सकती हैं। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। It's by this look, I just want to say that male and female, everyone is equal. It's just that it's the matter of your perception that how do you see that. So I just wish you all the best so that you carry the confidence, and with the confidence you carry the beautifulness in you and you conquer all the problems in your life. Thank you so much. Done.
Thank you, Jigyasa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's hear it from Chitra next. Hi, Chitra.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. I am Chitra from Dehradun, and आज मैंने जो मेकअप किया है वो अनिका फ्रॉम इश्कवाद से किया है। वो नो मेकअप लुक ज़्यादा रखती है और इसलिए मैंने नो मेकअप लुक ही रखा है, और झुमके इसलिए पहने हैं क्योंकि अनिका को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। और ये छोटा सा एक्ट मैं करना चाहूँगी अनिका जो करती है। ये तुम खस-फस बातें क्यों कर रहे हो? हाँ, क्योंकि ऐसी बातों को खसखसी बातें कहा जाता है। और नेक्स्ट, शिवाय सिंह ओबराय, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा चंट निकले। नहीं, मतलब एकदम चंटोमाई टाइप के। थैंक यू मैम। दैट्स इट। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
So let's hear it next from Jyotika. Post Jyotika, the sequence would be Anushka, Deepa, Isha, Lopa, Mudra, and Shalini. So hi Jyotika.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
So my name is Jyotika. Today I wear a simple makeup, bold eyeliner, and dark lipstick. And this is a crown. Every girl has a dream to get this crown. So I wear this crown. And Forever Star India gives me opportunity to showcase their makeup talent in this platform. So I wear simple attire. This look. Simple attire, and I love makeup very much. When when every girl do makeup, they feel very happy because they looking so beautiful. So I am makeup artist, and I want to keep every woman happy because. And thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyotika. Thank you so much. Next would be Anushka. Hi, Anushka.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anushka. I'm from Kolkata, and I'm wearing this t-shirt dress, which I paired with a belt. And I'm really not wearing any accessories because I let my hair down, so the earrings are not going to show anyway. And I'm very, very comfortable going out in a very minimalistic way. Even my makeup is very minimalistic, as you can see. I don't have a bold eye look, just a bold lip because I love the red lip tint, and it is one of my favorites. I love a glowy highlighter look. I can use as much highlighter that is possible in the world, and just not that won't be enough for me. So yeah, just a little story that when I was growing up as a young teenager, I was very insecure, and makeup helped me a lot. It helped me gain confidence. It helped me see the true beauty actually truly comes from within. So yeah, I have a very, very deep connection with makeup. I have a very loving relationship with makeup, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much. So next would be Deepa. Hi, Deepa.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Same.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं BHBC न्यूज और आपके साथ मैं हूं दीपा प्रजापति। तो आज हम बात करेंगे देश के सबसे अनोखे ब्यूटी पेजेंट FCI यानी फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स के बारे में। आप सोच रहे होंगे इसमें अनोखा क्या है, चलिए जानते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में। ये है देश का सबसे अनोखा ब्यूटी पेजेंट जो कि दे रहा है मौका घर बैठे ग्लैमर की दुनिया में कदम रखने का, जिसमें पूरे देश से 750 से भी ज्यादा विजेताओं का चयन किया जाएगा। तो देर किस बात की, आज ही रजिस्टर करिए FCI की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट www.fcr.in पर। Now let's just see what all requires to get ready for the on-screen look. So I have wore this formal attire because I am playing as an anchor and coming to makeup to get the silky smooth facial skin. I have just cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin twice in a week regularly. And coming to makeup, I have just applied some primer, foundation, concealer and compact, given a touch of eyeliner, eyeshadow, and ending it up with some highlighter and contouring with some lipstick. So कैमरा ऑन। तो इसी के साथ इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही, लेकिन BHBC न्यूज पर खबरों का सिलसिला लगातार जारी रहेगा। आप देखते रहिए BHBC न्यूज। नमस्कार।
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
So
Harry.
let's proceed to Isha. Hi, Isha.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
वह एक बेटी है, वह एक माँ है, वह एक बहन है, वह एक पत्नी है। क्या आपने ये सुना कि इन्हें इज्जत दो? क्या आपने ये सुना कि ये एक विधवा है? पर ये क्यों नहीं सुना कि इन्हें भी इज्जत दो? ये भी तो किसी घर की बेटी है, बहन है, पत्नी थी। इसमें इनका भी क्या दोष है? माँ मौत के मुंह पे जा करके एक जन्म देती है। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। ये साड़ी मेरी मम्मी ने पहनाया है, और ये जितने भी मोती के मेरी मम्मी ने बनाया। और ये साड़ी मैंने इसीलिए आज पहनी है क्योंकि ये मेरे पापा का आखिरी साड़ी था जो मेरे मम्मी के लिए ले दिए थे, लेकिन मेरी मम्मी नहीं पहनी क्योंकि बोलती है कि जब रेड ही सिंदूर ही नहीं रहा तो रेड साड़ी का क्या करें। इसीलिए मैंने ये साड़ी पहना ताकि मेरे पापा मेरे को देखेंगे, कम से कम मेरी बेटी तो पहनी है ना, और मेरे मम्मी को मैं खुश करने के लिए ये की हूँ। और लोगों का तो कहना है कि लाल साड़ी शुभ कामों के लिए होता है, पर क्या पता अपनी सोच बदलेंगे तो दुनिया बदल जाएंगी कभी ना कभी। और मेरी मम्मी पापा का आशीर्वाद मेरे सिर पे हमेशा रहेंगे। और मेरी मम्मी के माथे से पापा का सिंदूर हट गया तो क्या हुआ, एफसीआ का ताज पहनाने का पूरा कोशिश रहेगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. And extra kudos for bringing out your personal journey here. It takes a lot of courage. So appreciating that from the course. So moving forward, let's hear it from Lopamudra. Hi, Lopamudra.
Hi, Harry. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're perfectly audible. Are we ready?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
I see Lopa in a sari. That's something new now.
Yes, I'm really excited to show you because I tried something this today because I'm really big fan of sari. At the same time, I just tried to fusion it with my pants, which is my jeggings. So I really thought I'm gonna try this next time in any home party or outside. So it looks, for me, it looks good with the jeggings, tights and my sari. So I just tried to combine it because I'm a big lover of sari, at the same time Western attire. And makeup wise, I'm not a very regular makeup, but yes, for skincare wise, I just follow, I sweat out every day, which takes out all my toxin from my skin and the body, which helps to glow every day. And another thing is I love to do eye makeup, mostly with the smoky eyes, but today I just tried to make it a little bit of, this Rajasthani jewelry, probably because I'm a big fan at the same time with the Rajasthani jewelries and things. So sort of I tried to, incorporate everything together, and yeah, that's how it is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lopa. So moving forward, the sequence from here on would be Shalini, Meenakshi, Nandini, Nishu, Nitu, and Nitika. So let's hear it from Shalini. Hi, Shalini. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead. Don't worry. Don't be nervous.
Maar dalungi. So this is one of the very famous dialogue of Divya Bharti, and my today's look is also inspired by Divya Bharti's makeup look. And for getting this look, I use the technique that is CTM, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. And after moisturizing my face, I applied Swiss Beauty's primer, and after that I applied a little bit of foundation on my face to even it out. And then for eye makeup, I use kajal pencil, and for lip makeup, I use Maybelline's lipstick. And I'm very lucky because I have this colored top and pattern, because this is the top, means that's the same colored pattern top Divya Bharti's wore in a movie. So and why I choose this theme, because the reason is because I'm passionate about acting, and Divya Bharti was an actress who proved herself in acting, and she got all the name and fame in very short life. She passed away in 1993, but still she's in heart of every Indian. So this is the reason I chose this theme. Thank you so much. That's it.
Thank you, Shalini. Thank you so much. So let's move ahead to Meenakshi. Hi, Meenakshi.
Amma Ganita, Padharo Mari Dees. जो दृढ़ राखे धर्म को ते ही राखे करतार, अड़ी मंत्र लो जाप करे वो मेवाड़ी सरदार। मेरा नाम मीनाक्षी शर्मा है और मैं रंगीलो राजस्थान के खूबसूरत जिलों की नगरी उदयपुर शहर से हूँ। मैंने आज मेवाड़ी राजघरानों की महिलाओं का पारंपरिक जो पोशाक है उसे पहना है और इसे राजपूती पोशाक भी कहते हैं। इसमें मैंने ओढ़नी, कुर्ती, कांची और लहंगा पहना है और ये मुझे विशेष रूप से इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि इसमें नारी की जो 16 श्रृंगार है वो और मेवाड़ी संस्कृति झलकती है। साथ ही से मैं तीज त्योहारों और पूजा में इसे अवश्य पहनती हूँ और ये जो ड्रेस मेरा है करवा चौथ का है और मैंने आज जो फेस पर ड्रेस यूज करने के लिए CTM के बाद प्राइमर यूज किया है। साथ में मुझे जो आई डिफाइन करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है पर्सनली और मैंने शिमर इफेक्ट दिया है न्यूड लुक के साथ। मैंने मेटेलिक मेकअप किया है, साथ ही हेयर के साथ ज्यादा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया बट मैंने इसमें हेयर एक्सटेंशन के साथ दो कलर्स जो हैं अपने गोल्डन और मेरून टच के साथ मैंने थोड़ा कर्व किए हुए साथ में और ज्वेलरी के अंदर मैंने लकड़ी माता जी का जो शीश फूल है वो पहना है। इसमें कानों में मैंने झालर और झुमके डाले हैं, नथनी पहना है, साथ में मैंने गोल्ड के इसमें कुर्सी, आड़, नेकलेस, मंगलसूत्र हैं, बाजूबंद है, साथ में लूमा है, इसमें ढाल उतार साथ में मैंने पहना है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। हाथों में मैंने मुंदरी, हथपान, इसमें मैंने पोंछे, गजरा, पाटला, इसमें बंगड़ी है, इसको मोगरा पाटला कहते हैं, ये पहना है। पैरों में मैंने बिच्छी, पायल और अंगूठे से जो पैरों के अनबट पहना है, इसको मैंने अपने लुक को ओटील के साथ इसको पर्स के रूप में जो हम लेती हैं महिलाएं वो और मोजी के साथ है। साथ में मैंने अपने यहाँ बाजू पर पानी और गुलकंद की मनवा रखी है। तो आज का लुक मैं आपको खड़े होकर दिखाना चाहती हूँ मैं। Thank you so much. Ram Ram Sa.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Jury members, Meenakshi was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Nandini. Hi, Nandini. Nandini, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है clear. Jury members, is it audible to you? Can you try speaking again? बहुत लो पिच है, या तो आप किसी और डिवाइस से लॉग इन कीजिए या यू कैन लॉग इन अगेन फ्रॉम दिस वन और पुट ईयरफोन्स में भी। Okay, no problem. So let's hear it from Nishu till then. Hi, Nishu.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you. Are we ready?
Yes. मैम मैं एक भारतीय नारी मतलब बनी हुई हूँ, जो मैं खुद से बनी हूँ। ये मैंने ये साड़ी पहनी हुई है, मम्मी की साड़ी है, ब्लाउज, और ये चूड़ी पहनी हुई हाथों में, और होठ पे लिपस्टिक है, डार्क लिपस्टिक, और कान में झुमके हैं, गला में गला सेट है, और आईलाइनर, मस्कारा, काजल है, और फेस पे बस नॉर्मल क्रीम है, और बस मांग में वो सिंदूर की जगह लिपस्टिक लगा रखे हैं, और नेल पॉलिश, और कुछ नहीं। थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, Nishu, thank you so much. So let's move forward to Neetu. Hi, Neetu.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you.
Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready. नमस्ते, मैं गौरी सावंत, जो हर चौराहे, हर नुक्कड़, हर लोकल ट्रेन में खड़ी होकर ताली बजाकर आपको इरिटेट करती है। A warm welcome to all the judges and my fellow contestants. As you can see, I have applied very light makeup with a dark shade of lipstick, a big bindi, along with some gaudy jewelries on a simple silk-like sari, and a bun with the flowers to resemble her. I chose this character because I can relate to the kind of emotional disbalance a person goes through when society does not accept them for the way they are. I can relate to this emotional disbalance because I was born in a North Indian family, and the society and my relatives never accepted me for being a girl with a dusky complexion. Another reason is that I want to draw your attention towards gender equality. We all talk about gender equality, but do you think we have given equal rights to this particular segment of the society? No. They are still struggling to create their own space. Even with so many odds in her life, what Gauri Sawant has done towards the society is something incredible, and by choosing her character, I'm expressing my gratitude towards her. Through this platform, I humbly request you all that in case you see any opportunity in your work or business or near you, please give them a chance to prove themselves. Together we can and we should make the difference. That's all from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, Neetu. Thank you so much. And moving forward, let's hear it from Nitika. Hi, Nitika. Before Nitika starts, the sequence from here on would be Pratima, Priyanka Shah, Samprikta, Shikha, Sunita, and Surbhi. So Nitika, are we ready? आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Jury members, can you hear her? No. You'll have to try logging in from some other device or try using earphones maybe. Okay? Don't worry, I'll put you later wala usme. Okay. So let's hear it from Pratima. Hi, Pratima.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. मेरा नाम है प्रतिमा सरकार और आज मैंने जो थीम लिया है वो है लक्ष्मी जी का. आप सब देख सकते हैं मैंने उनके जैसे गेटअप करने की कोशिश की. हम सब जानते हैं कि लक्ष्मी जी धन धान्य और सुख शांति समृद्धि की देवी मानी जाती है और इनका पूजा हम लोग दिवाली के समय करते बड़े धूमधाम से ताकि हमारे जीवन में सुख शांति समृद्धि कभी भी कमी ना हो. यही कारण है कि और हिंदू धर्म में इनकी बहुत महत्व बताई गई है. ये त्रिदेवियों में से एक देवी मानी गई है और यही कारण है कि मैंने ये थीम लिया है आज और इनके जैसे ही मेकअप लुक देने की कोशिश किया जैसे कि उनके सिर पे मुकुट और माथे पे सिंदूर बिंदी और गले में फूलों की हार और अनेक प्रकार के आभूषण पहनी रहती है. एक हाथ में कमल और दूसरे हाथ में कलश जिसमें नारियल और आम के पत्ते हैं. वैसा ही मैंने लुक दिया है, आप सब देख सकते हो. और मेरी यही माता से प्रार्थना है कि हम सबके जीवन में सुख शांति समृद्धि और धन की हमेशा वर्षा होती रहे. यही कहना है. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Priyanka Shah. Hi, Priyanka.
हेलो मैम.
Are we ready?
मैम आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हाँ जी, आवाज आ रही है.
ओके. थैंक यू. हाय, आई एम प्रियंका शाह. मुझे खुद को डेली प्रोडक्टिव काम में बिजी रखना पसंद है जो मुझे डेली न्यू काम के लिए इंस्पायर करता है और ये मेरा पर्सनल बिलीव है जो मैं थ्रू आउट द लाइफ कैरी करती हूँ. अब मैं अपना टैलेंट आपको दिखाऊंगी. आई होप सो मैं आप सबके फेस पे स्माइल ला सकूंगी. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Samprikta next. Hi, Samprikta.
Hi. So.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I hope you all are safe and doing well. I am Samprikta. So today we are here to showing our makeup skills. Makeup is not only enhance our beauty, but also it gives us self-confidence. So today I am going to share with you my favorite nude brown glam makeup look. This look is so easy to create, yet so versatile. And you can see how gorgeous it is. Um, I am trying to use minimal products to create this look. Like I am using my lipstick as my blush and eyeshadow. So this is quite affordable side. And the best part of this makeup look is you can wear any outfit like party wear, daily basic wear, ethnic wear, and whatnot. Just wear some statement jewelry pieces according to the purpose, and you are ready to go. And yeah, don't forget to smile because inner confidence and smile makes you more beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samrikta.
Thank
Let's
you.
hear it from Shikha. Hi, Shikha.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Good evening, all the jury members and all my friends over here. Today, I'm here for the second talent round, and that's about makeup. Though I'm not a makeup addict guy, but still, today I tried my best. I used very mild makeup because I'm not very crazy and not very knowledgeable with all these things. But because I learned in that session, so I have to use it and I have implemented it. And I wore a very simple Indo-Western gown, though I'm very much fond of sarees. Being an Indian, I love sarees, but I wear sarees most of the time. That's why I try to avoid it. And gown is very rare for me. I know that people used to wear, but for me, it's very rare. I want to show you this time. I love eyeliner. I love kajal. That's why I always used to put them. Though I not love makeup, but I love eyeliner and kajal. They are my favorites. I think people can found me with kajal every day, but not any other thing over my face. And this combination of gown with mangtika that is what I used to create at some time. And I love earrings, those size earrings. That's why I did, because I'm having a very small baby of 1 year, so I never used to wear them all the time, but whenever I found time, I actually enjoyed it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shikha. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you,
let's
ma'am.
hear it from Sunita next. Hi, Sunita.
Hello, ma'am.
Sunita, before you start, let me just give on the sequence. So post Sunita, it will be Surbhi, Aditi, Priyanka, Tandon, Akshata, Sonal, and Neha. So are we ready, Sunita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
राम राम, मैं सुनीता, बेटी राजस्थान की, बहू हरियाणा की। वैसे तो पूरे भारत ही कला और संस्कृति का घराना है, पर मैंने हूँ राजस्थान से, तो मैंने आज राजस्थान की ये एक अलग पोशाक पहनी है, जिसे घाघरा लुगड़ी कहते हैं। लुगड़ी में आता है चुनड़ी, पोंचा और पीला। मैंने आज चुनड़ी ओढ़ी है। चुनड़ी पे सफेद कपड़े पे सबसे पहले बंदेज का काम होता है, उसके बाद उसमें रंगाई और छपाई करके उसे खूबसूरती दी जाती है। इसके अंदर आप देख सकते हैं कि गोटा पत्ती का काम किया हुआ है, सारे किनारों पे इस पे गोटा लगा के इसमें और भी खूबसूरती चढ़ी हुई है। मैंने साथ में लाख की चूड़ियां पहनी है, राजस्थानी स्टाइल में मेहंदी लगाई है। लाख की चूड़ियां और मेहंदी सुहाग की निशानी मानी जाती है। लाख की बात करें तो लाख एक कीट से मिलता है, इसका वैज्ञानिक नाम है लेसिफर लैक्टा, और मेहंदी मिलती है लासोनिया इनर्मिस से। गहनों में मैंने पहना है हार, कंठी, टीका, शीशफुल और नथ, साथ में ये झुमके भी है। अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ लहंगा। घाघरा वैसे अलग अलग तरीके से बनाया जा सकता है, जैसे कि कलीदार घाघरा, पट घाघरा, अम्ब्रेला कट घाघरा, इस तरीके से। और साथ में मैंने पहनी है पजेब और मोचड़ी पे भी बहुत अलग अलग तरीके का काम किया जाता है। ये सब पहनने का मेरा मेन मकसद था कि मैं कारीगरों की बात करना चाहती हूँ। ये सारी चीजें कारीगर बहुत मेहनत से और बहुत बारीकी से काम करते हैं, लेकिन आज के टाइम में ये आधुनिक तकनीकी की वजह से मशीनों की वजह से नाम गया है। मैंने खुद बंदेज का काम किया ताकि मेहनत लगती है, बस चाहती हूँ कि कारीगरों को फिर से उनका नाम और काम मिले। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Sunita. Thank you. So, jury member Sunita was 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So, moving forward, let's hear it from Surbhi. Hi, Surbhi.
Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Hariman.
Hi, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So hello everyone, this is Surbhi from Mumbai. I'm 23 and I've chosen the topic of women empowerment and I'm representing Rani Lakshmibai. So basically I have two reasons to select this topic. Firstly, I believe Rani Lakshmibai has totally, proved us the meaning what exactly women empower means. She not only cared for her baby, but also did fought for her own land. Even after losing her child and her husband, she was so strong, and not only just she helped herself, but so many other ladies. She gives me a very positive energy, and this attire which I'm wearing of hers, it gives me more of positive feeling and a confidence that a woman is no less than any man. She can take care of her baby. She can do anything. She can even fight having her baby on her back. It was really nice. And about the makeup, I'll share it to you that I have did a really light makeup because I don't want it to make it too much highlight. As per the 18th century, 19th century, it was basically a little light thing. And about the topic again, I'll tell you the second reason I'm choosing this topic because when I was 4.5 years old, it was my first fancy dress contest. My mother dressed me up like Rani Lakshmibai, and I won the first prize on it. So it has been always on my mind, and I'm really glad to have the chance to again help this with the attire. And my mom again draped the sari on me. So I'm just going to show it off to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surbhi. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Aditi. Hi, Aditi.
Hi, ma'am. I'm audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes. Don't forget your roots because it is the foundation of your life and the wings of your future. I'm Aditi Darvi, a 21-year-old. Today I'm attire of an Indo-Western look. I'm typically the Maharashtrian. I'm a Maharashtrian, so I wanted to show you the Indo-Western look of Maharashtrian Nawari sari. So I wear this attire because it represents our traditional sari in Indo-Western look, that is Maharashtrian Nawari sari. In Maharashtrian look, we have always the motachi nut and a chandrakot. So I created that look for, I like to keep the balance between the Western culture and my traditional culture. So I decided to show you that how we can balance both the cultures while this situation, in this generation, we can carry both our tradition as well as Western tradition. Thank you. And the makeup is, I do eyeshadow and the full makeup look, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Priyanka Tandon now. Hi, Priyanka. Can we please have your video and audio? Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yeah. Hello, jury members, everyone. Hello. And today I have selected the theme. The makeup theme was fantasy makeup look, which is belongs to butterflies. As you can see, my eye makeup, and I have strokes it out in a butterfly motif. So this is the truly inspiration for me because butterfly, I have always loved butterflies because it reminds me that the transformation, we can choose transformation to being so beautiful and being success, get success in our life. I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous right now. And the basic thing about butterfly is transformation is very important in life. When caterpillar thinks that his life is over, then he begins to fly. I am also the person who would never thought about that I would participate in this beauty pageant. But right now, I got inspired from other participants, and this is the challenge of my life, to transform myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Akshita now. Hi, Akshita.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes. So, hello everyone. My name is Akshita from Kolkata. तो मैंने अपनी ज़ोडिएक को रिप्रेजेंट किया, जी हाँ, राशि को. अगर आपका गेस लिब्रा राशि है तो बिल्कुल सही है. तो पहले मैं अपनी मेकअप के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. तो मैंने यहाँ पे पिंक और ब्लू इस्तेमाल किया बिकॉज ये दोनों काफ़ी ऑस्पिशियस माना जाता है लिब्रा वालों के लिए. और यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ क्लाउड्स ड्रॉ किए बिकॉज लिब्रा का एलिमेंट होता है एयर. नाउ कहते हैं कि लिब्रा वाले लोग काफ़ी ड्रामेटिक होते हैं, तो आईज में थोड़ा सा ड्रामा ऐड करने के लिए मैंने ग्राफिक आईलाइनर का भी इस्तेमाल किया है. नाउ हेयर एक्सेसरीज के बारे में, तो जैसे कि लिब्रा का सिंबल होता है बैलेंसिंग स्केल, उसी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देते हुए मैंने हार्ट और ब्रेन का इस्तेमाल किया है, ये दिखाने के लिए कि दोनों का बैलेंस होना कितना जरूरी है हम लोग के लाइफ में. और इसी को थोड़ा सा इंडियन टच देने के लिए मैंने साड़ी और ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी पहन रखा है. तो ज़ोडिएक ही क्यों? क्योंकि इस राउंड के जरिए मुझे अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को एक्सप्लोर करना था, एक चैलेंजिंग लुक ऑप्ट करना था और कुछ ऐसा जो लोग यूजुअली नहीं सोचते हो. होप आप सबको मेरा एक्सपेरिमेंट पसंद आया हो. होप आप सबका दिन अच्छा जाए. शुक्रिया.
Thank you, Akshita. Thank you so much. And let's hear it from Sonal. Hi, Sonal.
हाय हैरी.
Are we ready?
आप मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज.
Okay, ठीक है. Hello and good afternoon to all the jury members and all the beautiful ladies and girls out there. Myself, Mrs. Sonal Pala. So I start with my makeup. Today I have done golden base makeup. So have a look. Okay, in makeup, this is my favorite style to wear. If I go with lighter shade, it give you a natural look, and if you go with brighter shade, it's give you a shiny look. So it's a perfect and suitable for the party, occasion, and function. So that's why I like it. And now about my hairstyle. Today I have done a simple bun. Very rare case I tie my hair in this way. ज़्यादातर खुले ही रखती हूँ. बट आज का दिन स्पेशल था और मुझे स्पेशल लगना था, अपना एक नया लुक भी दिखाना था. That's why I go with this. And now I come to my outfit. I love to wear sari. There is a reason behind that. I have a typical Indian lady type figure, a passive figure. So I look best in sari rather than any other Western or Indian outfit. So that's why I और हाइट भी अच्छी लगती है और इसलिए मैंने आज प्रेफर किया है साड़ी पहनना. और इसके साथ मैंने ट्राई किया है, मुझे रेखा जी का लुक बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो समाउ ट्राई किया है कि थोड़ा उनके जैसा लुक दूं. Lots of bangles and all the jewelry. So now I want to stand up and want to show my entire look. Okay, this is my entire look for today. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Jury members, please note that Sonal was 25 seconds faster scheduled time, and also you will find her name in the Excel sheet with the name Sanjana. So in case there is a confusion. So let's hear it from Neha next. Hi, Neha.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
तो मेरा नाम नेहा है एंड मैं दिल्ली से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मैंने आज ये एक एंजल लुक किया है. जस्ट अ सेकंड. एंड ये मेरी मॉम ने प्रिपेयर किया है पूरा. एंड मैंने विंग्स भी लगाए हैं, छोटे से मेरी मॉम ने बनाए ये, so it's like that, you can see। इनको मैंने ये कर्टन के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन इसका बनाया, कर्टन्स के हैं, और मैंने ये एंजल लुक के साथ ये एक झुमके पहने हैं, एंड ये मेरा नेकलेस है। ये सारा मेरी मॉम ने प्रिपेयर किया है, एवरीथिंग। तो ये मेरा एंजल लुक लेने का एक इसके पीछे एक मेरा टारगेट ये था कि मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहती थी जितनी भी फीमेल्स हैं, कि सिर्फ एंजल इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम सिर्फ किताबों में पढ़ते हैं, एंजल्स रियल में एग्जिस्ट करती हैं। सारी लड़कियां एंजल ही हैं, मतलब उनके अंदर इतनी कैपेसिटी होती है, वो 9 मंथ्स कैरी करती हैं एक बेबी को, एक लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाती हैं। तो लेकिन मैंने काफ़ी देखा है, क्योंकि मेरे पापा नहीं हैं, तो मेरी मम्मी को काफ़ी अंडरस्टिमेट कर दिया कि मैं मेकअप नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं कर सकती, वो नहीं कर सकती। तो इट्स लाइक कि मैंने देखा, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि एक मैसेज देती हूँ। तो क्योंकि मैं एक टीचर भी हूँ और मैं एक मेडिकल स्टूडेंट भी हूँ, तो मैं आपको एक मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि जब किसी भी फीमेल के अंदर एक बेबी होता है, तो इट्स लाइक कि वो जो फीमेल का जो एक एग सेल होता है, क्योंकि मैं मेडिकल स्टूडेंट हूँ तो मैं उसी बारे में बताना चाहूँगी। तो उसको जब बेबी बनता है तो वहाँ पे 300 मिलियन स्पर्म जो होते हैं वो फीमेल एग के साथ कंबाइन करते हैं, और वो फीमेल एग इतना पावरफुल होता है कि 3 मिलियंस को मार कर हटा देता है, उसमें से सिर्फ एक ही चूज करता है। उसमें इतनी कैपेसिटी होती है कि वो एक बेस्ट वन को अपने साथ कंबाइन करता है। तो जब हमारी बॉडी के सिर्फ एक छोटे से सेल में इतनी पावर है, तो फिर हम अपनी पावर को अंडर एस्टिमेट क्यों करते हैं? हम जो सोचते हैं हम वो बन सकते हैं। तो इसीलिए, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी देखा है, तो बस मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी, हम सब एंजल हैं, आप अपनी पावर्स को अंडर एस्टिमेट मत कीजिए हमेशा, बस आप जो चाहते हैं वो आप बन सकते हैं। मेरी मॉम भी कुछ ऐसी हैं, तो मैंने इसीलिए अपनी मॉम को भी ज़बरदस्ती FCA में पार्टिसिपेट कराया। उनका ऑडिशन हुआ, उसके बाद शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि यस मुझे करना चाहिए। तो बस मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ, वी ऑल आर एंजल्स। अपनी पावर्स को कभी भी अंडर एस्टिमेट मत कीजिए, आप जो चाहते हैं वो आप बन सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Neha. Jury members, Neha was 40 seconds past her scheduled time. So now let's head to the most patient batch, the last 4 to 5 people who have been patiently waiting for their turn. So the sequence from here on would be Ayanthini, Bhavna, Mausami, and Sneha. And of course, Nandini and Nitika. So let's hear it from Ayanthini. Hi, Ayanthini. Anthony, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay, I guess there is some connectivity issue there. So let's move forward to Bhavna. Hi, Bhavna.
Hi, Harry.
I have been observing you since a while, and I'm really fascinated to know what you are here to present. So are we ready?
Yes. First of all, I'm really sorry. I'm late because of my work.
That's okay.
So since we're talking about makeup, I would like to also reflect this that 2015 for me, makeup was only about applying kajal, and my journey has started from FCI. That contouring, primer is the base. After that, contouring and highlighting, all these things I've learned a lot. And also I realized one thing, that when you use makeup, it's not about highlighting what you are, but also it gives a confidence to prove yourself, and you love yourself more. So it's basically self-love, you learn about it. And I'm donning an attire of Mother Earth. That's also one of the reason I want to spread a message that lockdown things have taken a lot from us, people from us, but it had also taught us a lesson that just 2 days of lockdown and things have been pretty amazing for those 2 days. आप सुबह आप खिलखिलाती धूप से लेकर रात की सुनहरी शाम हर एक चीज ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो। वो 2 दिन सुकून वाली जो सुबह थी और सुकून वाली रातें, तारे दिख रहे हैं आपको, चिड़िया के चहचहाने सुनाई दे रहे हैं। So all these things, just 2 days of those, without vehicles on the road, you can observe them. So imagine if every day, every year we can learn from this, and every year we can have 1 day lockdown and protect our Mother Earth. I had also donned this crown, also saying that ये जो crown है Mother Earth का, वो actually supposed to be upward, but since Mother Earth is so in deprived that वो crown भी उनका मुरझा सा गया है. So I'll just request कि आप अपने तरफ से थोड़ी बहुत चीजें कर सकते हैं कि आप कचरा जो है वो कभी भी फेंकिए नहीं रास्ते में, अपना बिट कीजिए, don't expect others to do it. you start from yourself first. और आप कभी भी अक्सर मुंबई में होता है कि आप पानी हाथ धो देते हो, कहीं पे आप पानी गिरा देते हो. Make sure you're using that water to plant a tree, or at least कोई पौधा है तो उसमें वो पानी डालिए. So all these small things from your end also can make a big difference. And also one of those things I wanted to portray a message कि अगर ये lockdown वाला system अगर चल जाए, so I think one day of that lockdown would make a great difference. So I am so nervous. I forgot what I'm supposed to say, but this was the only message I wanted to portray. That also these plants have been have not used any branches or any this twigs from the tree, but ये सारे नीचे गिरे हुए थे. So please don't आप कोई पत्ते या पौधे मत तोड़िए, because उनमें भी जान होती है. तो ये सब नीचे गिरे हुए पत्ते थे. I have used them. So yes, make sure you recycle and take care of environment so that they can take care of you twice and thrice fold. So that's all.
Thank you, Bhavna. Jury members, Bhavna was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Anthony. I think she has joined back. So can you please unmute yourself? Hi.
Hello, ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
Let me start. Okay. So good afternoon, respective judges, and to everyone present over here. I'm Anthony Shorthill from the city of Joy, Kolkata, and I'm here to talk about my red carpet look. So this look is inspired by Deepika Padukone, and particularly her Met Gala look 2018. Before I start off, I would like to show her picture so that you can relate with it. So this is her look that I'm talking about. And though I didn't manage to get red one, but I'm here with the maroon one, which I tried to resemble her. And to pair up my look, I had done red gold lips and nude brown glittery eyes. So to give it this spotlight and red carpet effect, I had put on a lot of glitters and shimmers all over myself. And as you all know that Deepika always loves to keep her hair clean, neat, and classy. So I just put on some gel and kept it simple. So this is all about my look. And especially, I would definitely like to thank FCI and the entire team for giving me this opportunity to work on my makeup skills and to go as we like. And I'm really blessed to be a part of this community and to be a better version of myself. So before I end, I would like to quote one saying from Deepika, that the challenge is to keep working harder and doing better. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Anthony. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Mausami next. Hi, Mausami. Anthony, can you please mute yourself so that there is no disturbance? Yeah. Mausami, I cannot hear you. Can you say something? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Can you please check अपने device का connectivity? Let me know in the chat box once you are ready. Okay, I'll put you थोड़ा end में. Don't worry about that. Check कर लीजिए आप. Can't hear anything, Mausami. So let's move forward to Sneha. Hi, Sneha.
Hello, ma'am. Is I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Connect. धरती की सबसे प्यारी खूबसूरती को मेरा नमस्कार. Hello everyone, this is Sneha in front of you. As I belong to UP, here I wanted to present a small act in front of you also. So this won't gonna be so weird. Okay, shall I? Okay. Handy madam, हमको आपसे बात करनी थी. हम कहा है ना, मेरे जो हस्बैंड है ना, तो परेशान किए हैं हमको. हम आपको बता दे रहे हैं, जब भी एक्सिया का आया है ना, अरे क्या बताएं, हमको कहते अंग्रेजी बोलो, कभी कहते लगावे लो लिपस्टिक पे नाचे. अब बताओ, हम लिपस्टिक पे नाचेंगे, हम अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे तो खाना कैसे बनाएंगे? बोलिए, अब समझाएंगे ना उनको, बताइए ना. अच्छा ये सब छोड़िए, बताइए हम कैसे लग रहे हैं आपको? थैंक यू सो मच. And one more thing, this is सिंघोरा. Actually, in हमारे यूपी साइड में ये हमारी शादी के टाइम पे हमें दिया जाता है. And that just now I got married, I'm newly married. So as my husband is 6.2, so that's why he has given me this much big Singora for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Nandini next. Hi, Nandini.
Hello.
Yeah,
Am
finally.
I audible now?
Yes, you're audible now. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
So, hello everyone. My name is Nandini. So today's my look is based on eagle makeup. So basically, eagle makeup is also known as animation makeup. I choose this makeup because I love cartoons and animations. So that's why, and it is of a two types, like a hard eagle makeup and one is a soft eagle makeup. So I choose a soft eagle makeup. In soft eagle makeup, there is a light pink shade eyeshadow like I use here, and light blushes on cheekbones and on the nose, and it will go with a glossy lip gloss, and with two ponies over there, and we can use hand painted stars, hearts with eagle makeup. And with this is a look. I wear a off shoulder dress with this my look. So this all look is known as a eagle makeup look and animation look. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nandini. Hi, Nitika, are you there? Have you finally joined in?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, now you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Nitika, and today I am wearing traditional outfit with simple makeup because I love traditional outfit, because traditional outfit gives you a different look. If you go outside the country in traditional outfit, then anyone can easily recognize that she is from India. And I want to represent India. So here is my outfit. So thank you.
Thank you, Nitika. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Mausami now. Hi, Mausami. Is it the audio working for you?
मैम ऑडियो
जी अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Are we ready?
ओके मैम. हेलो मैम, मैं ट्रेडिशनल लुक ली हूँ इंडियन, और मैंने ग्लैमरस मेकअप की हूँ, स्मोकी आईज, डार्क लिपस्टिक, और मैंने ऑक्सिलरी इयररिंग्स एंड नेकलेस, इयररिंग एंड ये ली हूँ. ये मेरा ट्रेडिशनल लुक इसलिए की हूँ कि कोई भी पार्टी, मैरिज, कोई ओकेशन में जाते हैं तो सब ट्रेडिशनल लुक, ग्लैमरस लुक लेकर जाते हैं. तो इसलिए मैंने ट्रेडिशनल लुक ली हूँ, और मैंने सिंपल हेयर की हूँ. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Mausami. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, ladies. This brings us to the end of the show. Thank you so much for putting across such a beautiful show. Now I request the jury members to give us some parting words before we leave. So I request Kirti ma'am to start.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Terry, for allowing me to speak. I have been, in this feeling of looking at these beautiful ladies. All of you have done an amazing, amazing makeup, and congratulations for completing your talent round 2. So this is kind of your third step after your audition that I'm seeing this transition in you. It is amazing, but let me just tell you that this round was not just about makeup, but how beautifully you present your makeup, right? Makeup karke, and you just talk about it in a in a plain manner. That does not really make sense.
you have put in so much efforts in doing this makeup. आपने 1 hour, 2 hour या 3 hours इस makeup को करने में, you know, dressing up, doing your hair, you have put in so much efforts. So when you're talking about it, that energy should be there, right? You should be radiating that positive energy that, you know, this is why I've done this, this is me, this is what I'm representing, so that the other person who's listening to it should feel interested in listening to it. So there have been moments today when I was just, you know, kind of zoning out because you were talking in so much detail. आप इतना ज़्यादा time उसमें ले रहे थे, 90 seconds से 1 minute भी cross किया है आपने, 1 minute 10 seconds भी cross किए हैं. So that shows you were not prepared. आप under prepared हैं, right? अगर आप time limit cross करते हैं, आपका performance कितना भी अच्छा हो, आपका makeup कितना भी अच्छा हो, I will have to deduct your marks, right? The jury members will have to do that because वो time limit रखी ही क्यों है अगर हमें follow नहीं करनी है. And if you wind it up within 90 seconds, trust me, it is going to sound intelligent, it is going to sound creative. So that's what I wanted to tell you. One thing, time limit का आपको next round में भी ध्यान रखना है. Again, it will be 90 seconds. You have to anyhow wind it up within 90 seconds. Secondly, just let your energies flow. Language की वजह से जो भी आप express करना चाहते हो वो नहीं अगर हो रहा है, then change your language. If you feel that, you know, when I'm talking in English and I'm not able to express myself efficiently, I'm not able to talk about my makeup, I'm not able to talk about the theme that I have chosen, then please choose a language that suits you the best. Because I could actually make out in 2 or 3 participants that you wanted to speak out, you wanted to talk about it, but then language was acting as a barrier, right? और जहाँ पे language barrier नहीं था, I'm sure you saw a few participants, they were so beautifully talking about it. और जब आप कोई चीज mean करते हैं, when you mean it to the core and you talk about it, it actually radiates that energy, and that energy reaches us, and then we score you on that basis, right? Never mind, whatever you've done, Talent Round 2 is done. In Talent Round 3, I want you to look after these points and perform your best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Now I request our lovely Chitra in the black sari to take over.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you for that compliment. And I could see Kirti radiating so much of energy today. And yes, it means a lot. Now, today I just wrote down few things in the form of pointers as in when I saw. The first thing I saw is when Harry announces that you have crossed your time. This particular participant has passed so many seconds. You all have to be very smart to understand that that message is to tell you all, okay, that you got to be careful. You need to be street smart. You are on a platform of Miss and Mrs. India. It is a combination of beauty and brains. So apply it. We all have it. Just remove that dust on it. So be very smart to take indirect signals, you know, from now onwards. 2, I felt that some participants were reading. They had their script around. So you don't have to learn it by heart, or you don't have to mug it up like children. You have to speak about it from the core, as Kirti said. And even if you speak for, you know, just say, you know, 85 seconds to 89 seconds and you've spoken it right way, it reaches us, and we are there to give you maximum that we can. Third thing, embrace makeup. You know, you say, I'm not a makeup person. You're not a makeup person, but you are on a beauty pageant platform. आपको यहाँ पे makeup भी use करना है. You got to show your finesse also. You got to embrace all sorts of different styles of clothing. So from now onwards, embrace makeup, apply it every day. Because a little use of highlighter, a little use of mascara and all that completely adds a oomph factor to your look. So that's all from me today. And makeup is something that you don't have to use it to defend yourself, but to, you know, bring that harmony within what you're wearing and on your face, right? So all the best to you all, and we'll see you all again very soon. And this is a journey, so don't take anything very negatively. These are the inputs that we give you all to improvise in the coming rounds. Over to you, Harry.
Thank you so much, Chitra. So let's hear it from Roshni now.
Harry, first of all, you're looking so beautiful today. I love your statement earrings. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And coming to the participants, I was so happy seeing, like different creativity today, like different cultures and different themes. Like there are things today I have actually noted of the different participants. Like for example, Meenakshi, she has created a beautiful Rajasthani look. And the fact that, she put in the effort to also create a background, if you can see her background, the small detailing and all, everything is so beautifully done. Then Bhavna, oh my God, you brought me back to my, makeup days. Like years back when I was starting my makeup journey, when I was creating my portfolio, Mother Earth was the theme that I chose. So I was so happy to, see you. You have done it beautifully, all the detailing and everything. Also, I love your concept, the drooping crown and everything. Beautiful. Lopa Mudra, I love your smile. You're so gracious. And all the participants, you all have done so beautifully. Just take care of the time limit. And as Chitraji said so rightly, if Harry is pinpointing the time limit of the previous participants, that's a cue for you to understand that you don't need to repeat that mistake. So you're putting in so many things, you're putting in so much of effort in getting ready, coming here, presenting yourself beautifully, but that few seconds could take away your markings, and we cannot help it if you cross the time limit. So yeah, this is just a few things, few pointers from my side. Otherwise, you all have done beautifully. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roshni. Thank you so much. So now I shall, take the leave for all these lovely ladies. Thank you so much for being here today. It was an honor to have you. I shall just have a few words with the participants before I leave.